Which character's emoji? Guess the first character.
Well, it will be. We just have to work at it. No, but I've got a better idea. Come on.
Let's see if you can crack this one. Excellent work. It's Winton.
Well, it will be. We just have to work at it. No, but I've got a better idea. Come on. Boop, 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 boop. Pulling beeswax is easy with these big muscles.
Guess the next one.
I can't do it. Okay.
What do you think? That's right. It's Pom Pom.
I can't do it. Okay. Goodness me.
Next question.
There are those crocodiles in the sea. Whoa, I can't jump that far. Look at my...
Who do you think this is? Brilliant answer. It's Snickers.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if we play Shadow Words instead? Yeah, and there's crocodiles in the sea. Whoa, I can't jump that far. Look at my little leg.
Get ready to guess the next character.
Castles can't move. This game's confusing. Aww.
Who has this mysterious voice? That's correct. It's Bingo.
Castles can't move. This game's confusing. Aw, I want my own chess team. King Queen! Can I have the Queen, Bluey?
Here is another one for you.
Dinner time! Got you. Oh, sorry, Bluey. I'll try and stop.
Any guesses on the identity? Great job. It's Coco.
Dinner time! Got you. Oh, sorry, Bluey. I'll try and stop. So you can only walk on the land.
Next character. Get ready.
Oh no! That's a poisonous one! You have to freeze before pouring iron electric ink!
Who could be behind this voice? That's right. It's Chloe.
Oh no! That's a poisonous one! You have to freeze before pouring iron electric eel! Oh, wow!
Can you name the next character?
On pourrait planter ces graines pour faire pousser. Ça va prendre beaucoup.
What do you think? Excellent work. It's Jean.
On pourrait planter ces graines pour faire pousser. Ça va prendre beaucoup de temps pour grandir. Oh, j'ai pensé que tu vas venir de l'autre côté.
Guess the next in line.
Bluey, this is my caravan. Oh, David!
I'm curious. Who do you think this is? Brilliant answer. It's Muffin.
Bluey, this is my caravan. Oh, David, Cody! That pen is mine. Muffin, it's all...
Can you recognize the character?
I'm not gonna make it!
Can you guess the character? That's correct. It's Lucky.
I'm not gonna make it! Good one, Dad! I got it! That's it, Bluey! Yeah! There you go, Bluey! Need to see the doctor! There's a crocodile on my head!
Who's the next character in line? Does this emoji look familiar to you? Great job. It's socks.
Not frisky blue car. Not frisky blue car. Aunt Chilli, can I please have a watermelon juice?
Ready for the next character.
You had one job, Maynard. You run
Only a genius can get this one right. That's right, it's Granddad.
Come on, Maynard, keep it together. You had one job, Maynard. You run, get. They got away.
Time for the next character.
Not yet, Dusty. I'm almost at 50. Yeah.
What about this one? Excellent work, it's Rusty.
Not yet, Dusty. I'm almost at 50. Yeah. Ha. Oh, good, Misty Healer.
Guess which character this is?
He has to accept that he's getting older and needs to look after himself. Oh, it shouldn't. I'm his...
Any guesses on the identity? Brilliant answer. It's Chilli.
He has to accept that he's getting older and needs to look after himself. Oh, it shouldn't. I'm his daughter. He should take care of himself. I think that is a bite. It could be that.
Who could be behind this voice?
But we don't have a picture of a horse. So clear. It's the neck.
Let's see if you can crack this one. That's correct, it's Indy.
But we don't have a picture of a horse. So clear. It's the neck. It's the neck. It's too short. Thanks, Winton. Bye-bye, Cal. And hello.
Guess the next one.
No, the night sits on the horsey. Don't worry, Bingo. Look.
Who do you think this is? Great job, it's Bluey.
No, the night sits on the horsey. Don't worry, Bingo. Look. There's two horses, see? And two. So this can be your team, and this one's mine.
Bluey characters and their favorite snacks. Coco, protein chips, pom-pom, Cape Cod, Bingo, Fritos, Bluey, Ruffles, Indy, Miss Vicky's, Snickers, Sun Chips, Winton, Doritos, Chloe, Smart Food, Jean, Oreo, Rusty, Lay's. Bluey characters and their favorite movies. Coco, Paw Patrol, Pom-Pom, My Little Pony, Bingo, The Garfield, Bluey, The Bluey Show, Indy,
Zootopia,
Snickers, The Secret Life of Pets, Winton, Monsters, Chloe, Raya and the Last Dragon, Jean, Finding Nemo, Rusty, Toy Story. Bluey characters and their favorite drinks. Coco, Poppy, Pom-Pom, Prime, Bingo, Zevia, Bluey, Gatorade, Indy, Cream Soda, Snickers, Mountain Dew, Winton, Big Red, Chloe, Monster Energy Drink, Jean, Pepsi, Rusty, Dr. Pepper. Bluey characters and their favorite apps. Coco, Instagram, Pom-Pom, ChatGPT, Bingo, Amazon, Bluey, Twitter, Indy, File Manager, Snickers, TikTok, Winton, Music, Chloe, Uber, Gene, Disney Plus, Rusty, Netflix. Bluey characters and their favorite candies. Coco, Laffy Taffy, Pom-Pom, York, Bingo, Caramilk, Bluey, Airheads, Indy, Snickers, Snickers, Hershey's, Winton, Milky Way, Chloe, Licorice, Gene, Crunch, Rusty, Kit Kat. Bluey characters and their favorite desserts. Coco, Swiss roll, Pom-Pom, cheesecake, Bingo, carrot cake, Bluey, cupcake, Indy, cookies, Snickers, brownies, Winton, peach cobbler, Chloe, macaroon, Gene, donut, Rusty, red velvet cake.
Bluey characters and their favorite drinks. Bluey, Pepsi, Bandit, Shooby, Bingo, Fanta Orange, Snickers, Chocolate Milk, Pom-Pom, Water, Muffin, Diet Coke, Coco, Strawberry Juice, Rusty, Dr. Pepper, Winton, Root Beer, Lucky, Fanta Pineapple. Bluey characters and their favorite snacks. Bluey, Tortilla Chips, Bandit, Chex Mix, Bingo, Cheetos, Snickers, Grandma Cookies, Pom-Pom, Popcorn, Muffin, Fritos, Coco, Pocky, Rusty, Doritos, Winton, Gardettos, Lucky, Lay's. Bluey characters and their favorite movies. Bluey, Finding Nemo, Bandit, Bluey, Bingo, Ratatouille, Snickers, Scooby-Doo, Pom-Pom, Bolt, Muffin, Peppa Pig. Coco, Barbie, Rusty, Turning Red, Winton, Ozzy, Lucky. The Adventures of Yellow Movie. Bluey characters and their biggest fears. Bluey, the dark, Bandit, being alone, Bingo, bugs, Snickers, heights, Pom-Pom, ghosts, Muffin, fear of spiders, Coco, fear of failure, Rusty, getting lost, Winton, loud noises, Lucky, fear of storms. Bluey characters and their favorite apps. Bluey, Skype, Bandit, Twitter, Bingo, Reddit, Snickers, Instagram, Pom-Pom, Gmail, Muffin, X, Coco, beauty camera, Rusty, YouTube, Winton, Amazon, Lucky, Snapchat. Bluey characters and their favorite candies. Bluey, Airheads, Bandit, Fruities, Bingo, Reese's Pieces, Snickers, Snickers bar, Pom-Pom, Hershey, Muffin, Mentos, Coco, Starburst, Rusty, Red Vines, Winton, Dark Chocolate Bar, Lucky, Milk Duds. Bluey characters and their favorite mobile games. Bluey, Sonic Dash, Bandit, Cut the Rope, Bingo, Fruit Ninja, Snickers, Fortnite, Pom-Pom, Clash of Clans, Muffin, Talking Ben, Coco, Barbie Dress Up, Rusty, Angry Birds, Winton, Tempo Run, Lucky, Cricket League. Bluey characters and their favorite hobbies. Bluey, Role play, Bandit, Hide and Seek, Bingo, Reading, Snickers, Dancing, Pom-Pom, Painting, Muffin, Crafting, Coco, Prince's Dress Up, Rusty, Playing Sports, Winton, Playing Fetch, Lucky, Playing Cricket. Bluey characters and their favorite foods. Bluey, Alfalfa, Bandit, cherry tomatoes, bingo, ketchup, Snickers, carrot celery sticks, pom-pom, salt and pepper, muffin, broccoli, Coco, fries, rusty, steak, Winton, chicken wings, Lucky, corn and fish with butter. Bluey characters and their favorite desserts. Bluey, blueberry pie, Bandit, ice cream, bingo, sorbet, Snickers, chocolate milkshake, pom-pom, marshmallow pie, muffin, muffins, Coco, pink cupcakes, rusty, raspberry tart, Winton, brownies, Lucky, baked Alaska.